going through the bed. So we got a saw and some clippers, and I'm gonna go clip it out. It's kind of keeping the bed. We got this limb here, and just a bunch of other little debris I gotta clear out of this thing. Old bed, rotted out. There's actually not as much stuff in the way as I thought there was going to be. Still quite a bit though. Watch yourself over there.
Holding air in the back.
That's good. We'll keep that. We'll keep that plate. Let me see it. Can you see it? Can you hand it to me? That plate, if you want to zoom in on that, you can. Alright, that's the original plate to the car, or to the truck. You can tell, because it says 1975, which is the last year this truck was on the road. It also says truck on there, but that's pretty cool. A little souvenir there. We got this big old tree here that we're gonna have to take out, because as you can tell, it's kind of in the way for the bed here. I don't think it'll cause any problems, but I just don't want it to bend it up even more. Back here, there's a bunch of junk. What I'm gonna try to do is clear it out so I can close it. This tailgate might be savable, but there is some rust here, and probably over there on that side as well. But first thing is get this tree out of the way and then clean up this over here. So I'm gonna have you latch that side over there. You see a chain? Just take it and put it through. Yeah, right there. Just like that. You got it? There we go. I thought this tailgate was gonna be, you know, not usable because it's kind of rusted. No, it's pretty solid. It's just got a little bit of rust down by the hinges, but I think we might be able to fix that. It is dented up right here, which I don't really like. But it's, other than that, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna put the plate and this light I found on the ground in the truck. Take a look at the inside of this truck. Yeah, it's like 50 years old, 60 years old, but I'd say since 1975, it's in a pretty good condition. You gotta keep in mind this is a 1965 truck. It's only 10 years old when it was last parked, and it's been sitting since 1975, so I don't even know, what is that, almost 50 years it's been sitting here, and the interior looks good for 50 years of just sitting. There's a lot of layers of dust on it. The car is pretty solid. The rocker on the other side's got a bit of rust in it. The rocker on this side, you show, it's not bad. It's all solid. There's just like this chrome piece here that's all rusted out. That's nothing structural. So we're pretty good. Plate in there, light in there. Look at that dust. What is this? Not sure what this is. Oh, it's just a catalog. Whew! Look at all that dust.
Pretty good. Nice truck redone, huh? I know. Took a lot of money though. I gotta try to do these.